Today we're going to repair a pothole with Easy Street Asphalt. It's not like anything out there. One man can clean it out, throw it in the hole, compact it, and take off to the next one. First thing you do, sweep out the hole. Works in all temperatures, rain, snow. You don't worry about the water, you can leave the water in the hole. Always bang it on the ground a little bit, loosen it up. You can take a pocket knife or a shovel, cut the bag, dump it right in the hole. We got 3 bags in there. We'll start moving it around. It's very pliable. Looks like it's alive. Looks like hot asphalt. Everybody's amazed when you pour it out of the bag for a demo, just the color of it and how it looks like it's blending to itself and to the edges of the hole. Rake it right into the corners. Once you rake it in, you want to make sure you leave about an inch crown on it. It'll be ready for traffic. The moving traffic will help compact the product even further. So there's 2 ways you can compact the product. One is to tamp and one is to run over it with the service truck. All right, I'm gonna get your car. It's that easy. Easy Street, showing potholes who's boss.